Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, there are 42 pairs in a bag and the total number of bags is q. Now we have to find an expression such that we can represent the total number of pairs. So in each bag 42 pairs are present. So we have been asked to find the total number of pairs. Now total number of bags equals q. Therefore total number of pairs will be obtained by adding 42 pairs q times. So we will have 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus up to q times, because there are q numbers of bag and in each bag 42 pairs are present. Now we know that multiplication is repetitive addition. So suppose you want to write 2 plus 2 plus 2, so we can write it in the form of 3 multiplied by 2, because what I have said, multiplication is repetitive addition. Similarly, we are adding 42 q times, so we can simply write it in the form of 42q. So this will be the total number of pairs, and thus this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.